Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the chapter the Internet Web Browser. This is part 2. Today we will discuss about types of Internet service. The type of Internet service you choose, you will largely depend on which Internet service providers. It means ISP. Serve your area along with the types of service they offer. Now, here are some common types of internet service. First is dial-up, second DSL, third cable, fourth satellite, and fifth is 3G and 4G. Now, first of all, discuss about this dial-up. This is generally the lowest type of internet connection, and you should probably avoid it unless it is only service available in your area. Dial-up internet uses your phone line, so unless you have multiple phone lines, you will not be able to use landline and the internet at the same time. Next is DSL. DSL service uses a broadband connection, which makes it much faster than dial-up. DSL connects to the internet via a phone line but does not require you have a landline at home. And unlike dial-up, you will be able to use the internet and your phone line at the same time. Now, next is cable. Cable service connects to the internet via cable TV. Although you do not necessarily need to have cable TV in order to get it. It uses a broadband connection and can be faster than both dial-up and DSL service. However, it is available only where cable TV is available. When you have cable TV, then you can use this cable. Next is satellite. A satellite connection uses broadband but does not require cable or phone lines. It connects to the internet through satellite orbiting the earth. As a result, it can be used almost anywhere in the world, but the connection may be affected by weather pattern. Satellite connections are also usually slower than DSL or cable. Now next is 3G and 4G. 3G and 4G service is most commonly used with mobile phones and it connects wirelessly through your ISP network, where ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. These types of connection are not always as fast as DSL or cable. They will also limit the amount of data you can use each one, which is not the case with most broadband plans. Now, the internet connects billions of web pages created by people and companies and around the world, making it limitless place to locate information and entertainment. Now, next topic is basic terminology related to the internet. There are some basic terminologies. First is web browser, next website, then web pages, home pages. These are the basic terminology related to the internet. Now, today, first we will discuss about web browser. A web browser is an application software which enables the users to interact with text, videos, music, and other information present on the internet. A web browser allows us to view and explore information on the web. User can request for any web page by just entering a URL into address bar. Now, what is URL? URL, it stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Now, we have some web browsers, softwares. These are, first you can see here in this page, this is our Google Chrome, this is Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, and this is Internet Explorer. These are the software. If you want to use internet, you must have this softwares in your PC. Now next is website. A website is the location on the web and it is hosted on a web server. It is a set of related web pages. A website is accessed using its internet address known as Uniform Resource Locator. You can see here in this image, this is our image of a website. If you want to search anything or if you want to open any website, you have to type here the address of that website. Just like if you want to open Google, then you have to type here www.google.com. This is also called address bar. If you want to Google, if you want to open Google, then you have to type here Google, www.google.com. Then click on here this search button. Then you will open the Google page. Now next is web page. A web page is a document available on the World Wide Web, www. Web pages are stored on the web server and can be viewed using a web browser. A web page can contain huge information including text, graphic, audio, video and hyperlinks. These hyperlinks are the links to the other web pages. Next is home page. You can see here, this is the image of home page of Google. You can see here it is written sign in, and this is the home page of Google. If you want to search anything, you may type here in this box. If you want to know about computer, you have to type here basic of computer or what you want. You just type here, then click on here Google search. You will get the result. Now, homepage is the first page of the website. It contains links and buttons for the information available on the website. Homepage of the google.com appears like this. You can see in this image. Now students, I am going to show you practical how to use internet. I am going to open internet with the help of the software. I have so many softwares. This you can see in the desktop. This is Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and this is Internet Explorer. You can open internet with the help of any software. I am going to open internet with the help of this Internet Explorer. First you have to click here. Then you can see one page is here. If you want to search anything, you can search from here. I want to know the basic of computer. That's why I type here basic of computer here. If you want PDF, you can click here PDF. If you want basic of computer science, you can click here. What you want, you can click here. But I want basic of computer. Okay. So just type here basic of computer. Then click here, click on this search. Now you can see this is the result of what you want. If you want to image, you can click here. If you want something about computer, you can click here. Here this is written computer basic. What is computer? It is written in blue color because when you will take your cursor here, it becomes a hand sign. It means it is a hyperlink. If you will click here, the new page will open. The new web page will open. I am going to click here. See. So many results are here. You can see. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. You can see here, this is the backward button and this is forward button. You can use internet with the help of this softwares. Student, I hope you understand this video. Thank you and have a nice day.